What does a failing wheel bearing actually sound like?
Wheel bearings, man, I love it, and I mean this in the best way, but I love it when someone calls in and be like, hey, how much is a ball bearing replacement? Because it really, most of the time they're referring to the wheel bearing itself here. Wheel bearings go with the speed of your vehicle. So you're gonna have some sort of like humming type of rotational noise that gets louder the faster you go. Now, one thing that you're also able to do in a safe way is that if you're able to lean your car, meaning going to the left or going to the right, depending on the pitch sounding here, it will also be able to tell you which side is louder or which side potentially your wheel bearing issue is at, because it gets louder or softer depending on the weight distribution of your car. But primarily, when you have a wheel bearing failure, is that you have some sort of rotational humming noise that gets louder the faster you go with your vehicle. That tends to be an indication of a potential bad wheel.